Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Welcome back to our English class. This is your English teacher, Miss Saima, and today we are going to do the comprehensive reading of lesson number 8, and its title is Shh. In the last class, we did the reading of this lesson. We tried to learn how to pronounce the different words of this lesson, but today we are going to try to comprehend this story. It means we are going to try to understand this story. So dear students, the main characters in this story are Kavya, she's a girl, Rohan, he's her brother, their mother, and a small baby. So my dear students, the main characters are Kavya, Rohan, mother, and baby. 4 characters are there in this story. So dear students, come, let's get started. So my dear students, in this lesson we are going to learn about how Kavya and her brother Rohan, they help their mother by cleaning all the dishes in the sink. Now dear students, read about how Kavya and Rohan planned to surprise their mother. So one day it was quiet in the house. There was complete silence in the house, and mother was sleeping. She was taking a nap. Nap is a short sleep. Like when we sleep at night, we sleep for a long time, 4, 5, 6 hours, 10 hours. But a nap is a short sleep which is taken for 15 minutes, half an hour or an hour. So it is a short sleep. And at that time, the baby was also sleeping. So it was daytime. It was not night, it was daytime. Mother was sleeping, baby was also sleeping. He was taking a nap too, okay? And then drip, drip, drip. Water was dripping into the sink. You see this picture? There is a tap, a faucet here. You see water drops are falling. Tip, tip, tip. So this water, it was falling in the sink. The sink was full of dishes. You see, my dear students, this is the sink. You might have seen this in your kitchens as well. So this sink, it was full of dishes. It was full of utensils. Do you think we can? Whispered Kavya. Now Kavya asked her brother Rohan. Whispered. Whisper means to say something in soft, low voice. Like, do you think we can? Okay, like this. So she's asking her brother, do you think we can help? We can? I think we can, Rohan whispered back. So Rohan also replied in a soft, low voice, yes, yes, we can. Then swish, 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 Kavya washed the dishes. See dear kids, in this picture you can see a little girl. We can presume that she is Kavya, and what she is doing, she is washing the dishes in the sink. Rohan dried them. See this picture? A boy, we can presume that he is Rohan, and what he is doing, he is wiping, he is drying the dishes, drying the utensils. All the dishes were shiny, clean and dry. Kavya and Rohan, they washed all the dishes and they were shiny, they were shining because they had cleaned them very well, and Rohan had also dried the dishes very well. Then Rohan stood on a chair and opened the cupboard. You see, Rohan, he is standing on the chair and he has opened this cupboard, an almirah sort of thing, okay? Kavya gave him the dishes one by one, and Rohan put them in their right places. See, Kavya was giving him dishes one by one, and he was putting the dishes in their right places, in their exact places. He was sorting the dishes in the cupboard. Kavya gave, but just as he took the last dish, the big red jam jar, it slipped out of his hands. Kavya tried to catch it, but it slipped out of her hands as well. And when at last, after all the dishes are placed in this cupboard, Kavya, this little girl, she gave him this red jam jar. There was jam in this jar, and this jar was red in color. She gave him this red jam jar, but it slipped out of his hands. Kavya tried to catch this jar, to catch this bottle, but it also slipped off her hands as well. And you see this jar, it broke into pieces. Crash! What a loud noise it made. It woke the baby from his nap, and he began to cry. So when this jar, it slipped from their hands, so there was a noise. When a thing breaks down, there is a noise. So there was a noise, and mother woke up. See, mother is sleeping here, baby is also sleeping. See, you can see baby is sleeping in the cradle. You see, mother is also sleeping and baby is sleeping in this cradle. But when this jar fell off their hands, this mother and the baby, both of them woke up. Mother woke up from her nap. She picked up the baby and came into the kitchen. But she did not say, "Oh, you have broken my red jam jar." See, when mother woke up, she took the baby in her lap. She came to the kitchen and saw, oh, this jam jar had broken. But she didn't scold Kavya or Rohan. She didn't shout at them. She didn't become angry. What you have done? Why you have broken the jar? No, 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 no. She was not like that. She said, "Oh, you have washed all the dishes. This is so sweet of you. Thank you, children." Instead, she saw that Kavya and Rohan, they have washed all the dishes that were in the sink. They have placed them in the cupboard. She thanked her children for helping her for washing all the dishes. Mother put the baby in the high chair and hugged Kavya and Rohan. You see here, mother had put the baby in the high chair. This is a high chair. It is not low, it is high. And she has hugged Kavya and Rohan. Then she picked up a broom and swept the broken pieces away. See this picture, dear kids. You can see a lady. She is using a broom. This broom she is using. Okay. So in the same way, Kavya and Rohan's mother, she used a broom to sweep all the broken pieces of that jam jar. She told Kavya and Rohan that she would make some cookies for them as a prize. Then she told her kids that they have helped her, they have washed all the dishes in the sink. Now she would also give them a prize, a gift. Kavya and Rohan were very excited. They became very happy. Oh, Mama will give us a gift. So mother took a big bowl, some sugar, flour and 3 eggs. Now what mother did, she took a big bowl, a big utensil. Then she added some sugar, flour and 3 eggs. Sugar, you know, flour of which we make bread, and 3 eggs. She mixed all those ingredients in the bowl. She mixed them together and put them in the oven to bake. Oven, it is a sort of electrical appliance that we use for baking cakes, bread and other things as well. So it is used at homes. Soon the round crisp cookies were ready. So at last she made round crispy cookies for them. Dear students, you see this picture. This is the picture of an oven. Like there is pizza right now in this oven, but in the place of pizza, instead of this pizza, Kavya's and Rohan's mother, she baked some cookies, some sort of biscuits for them. Wait, I'll show you what sort of biscuits. See this picture? So there are round crispy cookies, crispy biscuits. So this type of biscuits was made by Kavya's and Rohan's mother for them as a prize. So dear students, we should also help our parents. We should also try to do small domestic works at home, domestic things at home. Okay. So inshallah, we'll see you soon in our next class. Till then, take good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.